Hello students. Yesterday discussed exercise 1.1 in mathematical logic. 1.1 exercise question number 2. That is explain incomplete. See, what is that? Question is there. Angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Here, you have to find out that truth values of these are symbolic form. Yesterday explained statement P angle is acute, statement Q angle is obtuse. Here use the connectivity and P and Q. But what is that? Angle is neither nor means negation. Suppose to be consider this as a negation of P and negation of Q. Keep it in your mind. In previous lecture, last explanation is that angle is neither acute nor obtuse. You have to write this symbolic form for that. Get it? Then today, take example for that. Question number 3. In exercise 1.1, question number 3. Write the truth values of the following. Here statement is given. Question number 1. 4 is odd. 1 is prime. 4 is odd. 1 is prime. Here connectivity is odd. Then how to write the solution? Consider, let P 4 is odd. This is the one statement P. Statement Q 1 is prime. First statement P 4 is odd. Second statement Q 1 is prime. Then, what is the equation? Write the truth values of the following. Then the statement is, what is the symbolic form of this statement? P or Q. This is the symbolic form. But find out the truth values of the following. Truth values of the following. Tell me, what is particular statement? 4 is odd. Is it true or false? 4 is even number. Means what? The first statement P is false. Statement P is false. Odd. Second statement, 1 is prime. 1 is prime. This is also false. And what is the truth values? Truth values of statement. How to write truth values? Like this. First statement, that is false, or second statement also false, is equivalent. See here, false, this one depends on the connectivities or. Remember that connectivities, when number of statements are false, both statements are false, then it is false. This is the rule for connectivity or. This is the final answer, final values, truth values of the given question. Getting? See, what is the basic concept? Two statements are there. Okay, written here. Let P, first statement, Q, second statement. Then symbolic form of these two statements, P or Q. Third part. What is the truth values of these two statements? First statement P is false, second statement Q is also false. Make the symbol. Again, find out the truth values of the given statement. First statement is false or second statement also false. Is equivalent false, because the rule of OR is both statements are false, that is false, remaining are true. Ready? Take one more example. Second example. 64 is perfect square. 64 is a perfect square. And 46 is a prime number. See here. First statement is there. 64 is a perfect square. And second statement is there. 46 is a prime number. Here is the connectivity, conjunction, and is used. In previous example, or is, here is and. Then write the solution. Let P 64 is a perfect square. Perfect square. Statement Q. 46 is a prime number. Forty-six is prime number. Then the symbolic form. Symbolic form of given statement. What is the symbolic form of given statement? First statement P. What is the connectivity? And Q. This is the symbolic form. Then find out the truth values of the given statement. First consider that 64 is a perfect square. This statement is true or false? Here 64 square of 8, that is true. Second, 46 is a prime number. Then what is that? Second statement is false. Getting values of this particular statement is true. Values of second statement is false. Then find out truth values. Therefore, truth value of given statement is here. P, first statement true. Connectivity is and. Second statement false. That is equivalence T. First statement T and second statement false. This is the rule of AND. Keep it in your mind. Remember that when first statement true and second statement false, at that time the given statement is false. This is the rule of AND. Keep it in your remember that particular point. Ready? This is the truth values of given statement. Understood? Try to understood. Simple concept is there. Only true and false and some connectivities. Take one more example. That is example number 3 in that. 5 is a prime number and 7 divides 94. Here again same procedure is there. Let P 5 is a prime number. Five is a prime number. Statement Q 7 divides 94. 5 is a prime number. 7 divides 94. Then the symbolic form of the given statement. Symbolic form of the given statement is that symbolic form is P and Q. Then truth values of these two statements. What are these two statements? 5 is a prime number and 7 divides 94. What is the values of these? Again here. Therefore, truth values of given statement. Truth values of the given statements. Given statement is secondly. First statement was 5 is a prime number. This statement is true or false? Remember that. Depends on these examples. Find out. 5 is a prime number. It is whether it is true or false. Both P and Q are what? See, the first statement is that is true, and second statement is false. Then here, truth values of the given statement. First statement true and second statement false. That is equivalent to. Again remember the rule of AND. Supposed to be first statement true and second statement false, then it is false. This is what your truth values of the given statement. And again take one more example. It is not a true. See, this is different from other. It is not a true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. 5 minus 3i is a real number. अब ये एग्जाम्पल में कितने स्टेटमेंट हैं? इस एग्जाम्पल में स्टेटमेंट एक ही स्टेटमेंट है, दैट इज लेट P. कौन सा स्टेटमेंट है? 5 minus 3i is a real number. देखो 5 minus 3i is a real number. फिर ये 5 minus 3i कौन सा नंबर है? Combination of number and letter, that is complex. Not a real number, it is a complex number. Means here is a single statement 5 minus 3i is a real number. This statement is false. This statement is false. Then how to write symbolic form of this? Means negation of P. Here is given. It is not a true that 5 minus 3i is a real. Ready? Means what? A single statement 5 minus 3i is a real number. This statement is what? False. Then truth value of the given statement is truth value of the given statement is false. Truth values of the given statement. See here. What is that? Symbolic form of this negation of P, because the statement is false. Therefore, truth value of given statement is, here statement is false, means negation of L. is equivalent to true. Is equivalent to true because here is given it is not a true, means what is that? Your statement is false, then it is equivalent to true because this statement is not a complex number, that is real number. This is false, the statement. Getting?
Yeah.
See here, next one example is there. If 3 into 5 equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 again 15. See here, two statements are there. These statements are depends on logical connectivities. Each and every statement use some logical connectivities. Here, or and again or, and this one example use if then, means conditional. Condition is there. Then what is the solution? How to write solution? Let consider first statement. P 3 into 5 equal to 8 and statement Q 3 plus 5 equal to 15. Then the symbolic form of given statement is P implies Q. Means what? This is the connectivities. If then P implies Q. Means what? Both statements here truth values of both statements are false. Therefore, truth value is, what is the statements? 3 into 5 equal to 8. 3 into 5 equal to 8. ये सही है गलत है? गलत है. तो राइट F. Connectivity is implication. Again second statement. 3 plus 5 equal to 15. This is also false. This is equivalent. See, what is the rule of connectivities? Conditional statement if then. Suppose one statement is true and second statement is false, then it is false, remaining are true. Then this first statement implication of second statement, the truth value is true. Getting? This is the explanation of this particular statements. See here, in exercise 1.1, question number 3 is complete. Some questions are there. Try to solve at home.